This is 3D printed Steam Deck, but it cannot run games. This is an old laptop, and I will make it work as a Steam Deck. Removing unnecessary parts. Here I soldered USB-C directly and I made an extension cable for a battery. Connecting antenna for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These 3D printed spacers will help with airflow. 3D model case I'm printing in white and blue. I cut parts in half so my 3D printer can print them. And I'm joining them with soldering iron. This will be a power button. I will connect Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons here with these metal holders. Portable Full HD monitor with built-in speakers will slide here. HDMI and USB-C cable for touch screen. Connecting battery. This application X-Joy will make two Nintendo Joy-Cons to work as one Xbox controller. Now I can run games. For older games without Xbox support, I can use keyboard and mouse. I can also run SteamOS, but I have not found solution for Joy-Cons yet. Bye!